A lot of parents don't like to admit it, but once your child turns 18, you are no longer their legal guardian. You've been able to make all their medical decisions, all their financial decisions, and no one has questioned anything you've ever done before. But once your child turns 18, your ability to do that evaporates unless additional measures are taken, which is why I advocate for, especially kids going away to college, that they get some limited estate planning. And really, when we're talking about estate planning, I'm not talking about wills and trusts for your college-bound children, although maybe we ought to be talking about that for you. But for your college children, most of them don't have assets to speak of, so we're not really concerned about dealing with those sorts of issues. But we are interested in incapacity planning, right? So we're talking about durable powers of attorney, we're talking about health care surrogate designations, and the fact of the matter is, you may have the most conservative and careful kid in the world, but if they're going off to college, they're entering a world where alcohol is involved and experimenting with drugs are involved. And even if they don't do any of that, as realistic or unrealistic as that may be, there are other kids who will. And so there are other kids who are going to be driving drunk. And God forbid your child gets into an accident, whether it's their fault or somebody else's fault. We want to be prepared, and we want to make sure that you're going to be dealing with a lot, and we want to have the right documents in place and hope that we never have to use them. But if we do, we want you to be able to access their medical records and to be able to speak to doctors and nurses, because we've heard stories of ERs refusing to talk to parents because they don't have the right health care surrogate designation in place, which is what allows you to make health care decisions for them and allows you to access their medical records, and these important decisions need to be made. And a durable power of attorney is important as well, because you might need to be dealing with their credit cards. You might need to be dealing with their bank accounts. Sometimes, and again, we don't like to think about it, we're now thinking about applying for government benefits to help pay for extensive medical care or disabilities that might arise out of these accidents. So again, my goal is not to be striking fear into your heart. I know these are things that people don't like to think about. The idea is we want to be prepared because we want you to have one less thing to worry about should something awful happen, and we want you to be able to make decisions without having to jump through hoops or without having to drive through roadblocks in order to do so. So I hope this video makes sense to you if you're interested in talking about a basic incapacity planning package for anyone who is in Florida. It would be my pleasure to do so. Thank you.